Hello, my name is Amin Azmudi. I would like to introduce our group project PAHANG AC. PAHANG AC is a project that produces activated carbon using domestic and agriculture waste. Are you familiar with activated carbon? Activated carbon is a porous element that traps organic compounds present in gases and liquid. The purpose of activated carbon in this project is to help treating water in rivers. We use plastic and styrofoam from domestic waste or bunch and fronds of palm oil tree from agricultural waste to produce activated carbon. The method of producing activated carbon involves drying, burning, and mixing it with chemical solution. In the next video, we will explain the methodology further. There are two main benefits of this project. Number 1, increasing and clean water capacity by treating polluted river. Number 2, reducing the pollution and disposing costs by recycling domestic and agriculture waste.
Our biggest problem in the world is water pollution. Over than 1,000 tons of waste is released in the water. The waste consists of plastic from domestic waste and forms of palm oil tree from agriculture waste is being produced. Plastic is also a non-biodegradable waste, which means it cannot be decomposed or crushed naturally all the time.
First of all, you need to dry the fronds of the palm oil tree under the sun for a day to reduce the water content in the frond. After that, burn the frond in a low temperature and in a lack of oxygen environment until it turns into charcoal. Then, crush the charcoal into dust before mixing it with chemical solution. Let it dry overnight. Last but not least, burn the waste until it burns. After the final product is obtained, we conduct smell, acidity, turbidity, iodine test, and bacteria by biological oxygen demand or BOD test.
Tons of benefits. First, it reduces the amount of agriculture and domestic waste. Secondly, this product reduces the cost to decompose plastic waste. Third, it decomposes waste with zero pollution to the environment. Lastly, this product has minimal cost to treat river water. In conclusion, we can guarantee that our product does help the environment. However, there's many places in which they suffer from lack of potable water. This product are sure to solve the issue.